The major challenges that we see is specifically for cleantech startups and entrepreneurs is that they don't always have the right tools that enable them to pitch a project to a VC, for example, or as well as to build a product according to requirements and to simulate and to visualize their product development. So Autodesk, we have a program called the Autodesk Cleantech Partner Program. We invite cleantech startups, entrepreneurs and innovators to apply for this program. Once they become part for this for about $50 in Singapore, they get access to about up to $150,000 worth of software, which they can then use to develop their products, to optimize them, to simulate them as a digital prototype, and then as well as to use this as a way of talking to funds and investors. So we see quite a growth happening in cleantech. We've heard this throughout these presentations as well. Many speakers actually mentioned the opportunities for Asia Pacific in cleantech are high and about to grow, so we see that in a similar way. Our objectives is to make Autodesk known to the cleantech community in Singapore, to hopefully connect with cleantech startup companies here in Singapore as well as in Asia, and to meet investors, understand the characteristics of the market here, and really just get a better feel for it. Yes, the event has met our objectives. It's been so far very well. We met a number of different people, some good networking opportunities, as well as seeing some startup firms here in cleantech and innovators that are innovating in this field. We just thought this to be a good fit. We have this program in place. The Autodesk Cleantech Partner Program is in place in the US and in Europe, and we do participate in similar events, and that made sense for us to do the same. Well, I think so far the discussions that we had on stage were very good. Sometimes we ran a little bit over time and actually interacting with the audience a little bit more. That is maybe something we can to enhance. But generally, I think it's been really well. So if you do the same thing as we have this year, it's going to be a very good event.